This is Ben with bkashaudio.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how to partition and format a thumb drive for FAT32 format, which will allow you to use it cross-platform. There's a number of different ways to do this via the GUI and command line. This is just the particular order of steps that I use. If you prefer a written version, there's a link to it in the description below. To start, you want to run sudo lsblock-f. This is going to print out all of the storage devices attached to your system. So we do not have the thumb drive plugged in right now, so it won't be listed. The next step is to plug in your thumb drive. And after you give it a few seconds, run the same command again. And now you see we have an additional device, SDD and SDD1. So we've identified what device our thumb drive is. The next step is to partition the drive. To do that, we'll type in sudo cgdisk/dev sdd. This will open up cgdisk and it'll show the current partitions on the drive. We're going to delete all of them. So we'll move down to Linux file system. This is our one partition, and there's the reserved free space here. And we'll delete it. Now we have no partitions and simply the free space, and we'd like to create a new one. Select new. We'll accept the default, and accept the default. And for the partition name, we'll call it BC Thumb. To make the changes final, select write, press enter, and answer yes. And then select quit. The third step is to format the drive in FAT32 format. To do so, type sudo makefs.fat-f32 and then the partition number that we created, dev sdd1. The -f32 means formatted as FAT32 format. If you wanted it as FAT16, you would do -f16. We'll press enter, and our partition is created. The final step is to give the thumb drive a label. This is what will show up when you mount it on your operating system. To do that, type in sudo fatlabel, and then the device partition, which is dev sdd1, and then the desired name, in this case BC Thumb, and we have labeled our thumb drive. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and visit bkashaudio.com for more video tutorials.